between these three words? Immigrant, emigrant and migrant. Actually, they are similar but meaning is different. So, students use them wrongly. Let's learn them. A person who comes to a new country to take a permanent residence is called immigrant. The word with I. For example, the city has a large immigrant population. It means many people in that city are from other countries and now living permanently there. Now, emigrant. The word with E is a person who leaves his country permanently to settle elsewhere. For example, millions of immigrants came to America in the 19th century. It means many Europeans left their country permanently and settled down in America. Next one is migrant. When a person moves to a particular place, city or country for job or study, it's called migrant. For example, in South America, there are 3 million of migrant workers. Meaning that the people went there temporarily and they will come back to their country after the work. I hope you got the difference between immigrant, emigrant and migrant. Bye bye.